Hi, welcome to Echo Music channel. Today we are going to learn how to do network sharing, file sharing in Windows 10. For that, we need to do 5 settings. The first one is network settings. For that, we need to go to settings. In that network settings, from there, network sharing and network and sharing center. From here, we can see here on the left side, change advanced sharing settings. From here, turn on the sharing and turn off password protection sharing. Do for all the profile and private network also. Then save it, and then after, the second one is function discover host. This is we can find in service. For that we need to open services, open this, and click F, and here we can find function discovery. Double click in and put it into automatic mode. If it is not start, put start, apply OK. Then after, function discovery, so the next to it, this is also you need to put into automatic, and then SSDP you can find here. This also should be in automatic mode. If it not start, you can press on start. And the last one is UPnP. Just click U, then you can see the window, and it should be also in automatic mode. After doing all these settings, you need to restart the PC. Then you can find all your network PCs in your network. Here you can find all your disks once you restart this PC. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel.